Jurisdiction of civil code. Jurisdiction meaning the term jurisdiction has not been defined in the code. The word jurisdiction is derived from Latin term juris and dicto, which means I speak by the law. Stated simply, jurisdiction means the power or authority of a court of law to hear and determine a cause or a matter. It is power to entertain, deal with, and decide a suit, an action, petition, or other proceedings. In other words, by jurisdiction is meant the authority which a court has to decide matters that are litigated before it, or to take recognize of matters presented in a formal way for its decision. Thus, jurisdiction of a court means the extent of the authority of a court to administer justice prescribed with reference to subject matter, pecuniary value, and local limits. Jurisdiction and consent. If the court has no inherited jurisdiction, neither acquiescence nor waiver nor estoppel can create it. A defect of jurisdiction goes to the root of the matter and strike at the authority of a court to pass a decree. Such a basic and fundamental defect cannot be cured by consent of parties, and the judgment or order passed by a court, however preciously certain and technically correct, is null and void, and the validity thereof can be challenged at any stage. A decree passed without jurisdiction is non-est, and it is valid can be set off whenever it is sought to be enforced as a foundation for a right, even at the stage of execution or in collateral proceeding. In a short, decree passed by a court without jurisdiction is a forma non judice. Lack of jurisdiction and irregular exercise of jurisdiction. There is always a distinction between want of jurisdiction and irregular exercise of it. Once it is held that a court has jurisdiction to entertain and decided a matter, the correctness of the decision given cannot be said to be without jurisdiction, insomuch as the power to decide necessarily carries with the power to decide wrongly as well as rightly. Basis to determine jurisdiction. It is well settled that for a deciding the jurisdiction of a civil court, the averments made in the plaint are material. To put it differently, the jurisdiction of a court should normally be decided on the basis of the case put forward by the plaintiff in his plaint and not by the defendant in his written statement. Jurisdictional fact. The jurisdiction of a court, tribunal, or authority may depend upon fulfillment of certain condition or upon existence of a particular fact. This is called jurisdictional fact. The existence of such a preliminary or collateral fact is a sine qua non or a condition precedent to assumption of jurisdiction by the authority. If it is exists, the authority has jurisdiction and it can act. If it does not exist, there is no jurisdiction and the authority cannot act. If authority wrongly assumes existence of such facts, a writ of certiorari can be issued. Decision as to jurisdiction. Whether a court has jurisdiction or not has to be decided with reference to the initial assumption of jurisdiction by that court. The question depends not on the truth or falsehood of the facts into which it has to inquiry, or upon the correctness of its finding on these facts, but upon their nature, and it is determinable at the commencement, not at the conclusion of the inquiry. Courts and tribunals. A civil court has inherited power to decide the question whether it has jurisdiction to entertain, deal with, and decide the matter which has come before it. Adjudication. The adjudication of a tribunal or any other authority stand on a different footing, where Parliament has invested such tribunal with the power to decide and determine finally the preliminary facts on which its jurisdiction depends. It can decide such facts, and the finding recorded by the tribunals cannot be challenged by ciatoria criteria, but where a statute creating or establishing a tribunal does not confer that the power on tribunal, an inferior tribunal cannot, on a wrong decision of preliminary or collateral facts, assume and refer on its jurisdiction which it does not possess, which such an order can be challenged by criteria. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, hit the bell icon, turn on all notifications.